Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because obviously it is required to download something, and then we can enter the Play Store. Now we have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner. It is simply our account, so let's tap on it and choose Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to enter Manage option, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of all apps which are installed on our device. If we want to leave only the updates, then just tap on Updates Available, and as you can see in my case, I've got only one app which can be updated, and all you have to do in order to update the app is simply mark it. So let's tap on the square here and tap on this update icon. Obviously you will be able to update more apps. You will here you will have more apps on this list, so you will have to just mark them and tap on this update icon. And as you can see right now, this device will download the update and install it and successfully apply. So actually this is it. This is how to update your apps in Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.